Hi everyone, this is your cell and molecular biology course. In this video, we will be exploring the crucial role of cell biology in modern science. We will cover the key concepts, discoveries, and exciting applications of this fundamental field. Let's get started. Cell biology is one of the most important fields of modern science as it focuses on understanding the fundamental unit of life, the cell. By studying how cells function, grow, and interact with their environment, scientists have made many discoveries in medicine, biotechnology, and genetics. Every living organism, from the simplest bacteria to complex human beings, is made up of cells. Understanding their structure and processes allows us to develop treatments for diseases and create genetically modified crops and even explore possibilities for regenerating damaged tissues. Cell biology is not just about looking at the cells under a microscope. It is about unlocking the secrets of life itself and using that knowledge to solve real world problems. Now let's see the role of cell biology in medicine. Cell biology plays an essential role in medicine by giving us a deep understanding of diseases at the cellular level. For instance, in cancer research, studying how cells grow and divide uncontrollably helps in developing targeted therapies that attack only the cancerous cells and minimizing damage to healthy tissues. And advances in personalized medicine rely heavily on understanding individual genetic variations at the cellular level to tailor treatments to each patient. Stem cell research has opened the door to regenerating damaged tissues and developing cures for previously untreatable conditions. Furthermore, studying how immune cells behave has led to immunotherapies, CAR T cell therapy, empowering the immune system to fight diseases like cancer. The exploration of cellular mechanisms has also led to innovations in drug delivery systems, especially with the use of nanotechnology, ensuring that drugs reach the right cells more effectively. And finally, research into cellular aging is driving the development of anti-aging treatments and new diagnostic tools based on cellular biomarkers, allowing for earlier detection of diseases and improving patient outcomes. So these are some of the role of cell biology in medicine. Now let's see their role in biotechnology and genetic engineering. Cell biology is at the heart of biotechnology and genetic engineering, transforming industries ranging from agriculture to pharmaceuticals. One major achievement is the development of genetically modified crops, which are designed to be more resistant to pests and more nutritious and better suited to withstand environmental stresses. Advances like CRISPR technology have revolutionized gene editing, allowing scientists to make precise modifications in an organism's DNA, paving the way for correcting genetic disorders and advancing gene therapy. In the pharmaceutical industry, bioengineered cells produce life-saving drugs such as insulin for diabetes and vaccines for infectious diseases. The creation of synthetic organisms and designer cells has opened new possibilities for research and industrial use, including the development of biofuels from genetically modified microorganisms. Biotechnology is even reshaping the food industry, with cell culture technology enabling the production of lab-grown meat, offering a sustainable alternative to traditional farming. Moreover, genetic engineering is being applied in environmental science through bioremediation, where genetically modified organisms are used to clean up oil spills, heavy metals, and other pollutants. Apart from this, in medicine, tissue engineering and 3D bioprinting are making possibilities towards creating lab grown organs, which could revolutionize organ transplants. Now, let's see the contribution of cell biology to microbiology and identifying infectious diseases. Cell biology plays a crucial role in microbiology, especially in the study of microorganisms such as bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites. By understanding these organisms at the cellular level, scientists have been able to develop antibiotics, vaccines, and antiviral drugs that have saved countless lives. Research into how pathogens invade and affect host cells has led to better strategies for preventing and treating infections. One of the most important issue in microbiology is antibiotic resistance. Cell biology helps researchers understand how bacteria evolve mechanisms to resist antibiotics, which in turn drives the development of new drugs and treatments to combat resistant strains. The study of emerging infectious diseases, as recently we know COVID-19 and Ebola, is heavily reliant on cell biology to uncover how these viruses interact with human cells and how they spread. This knowledge has been essential in the development of diagnostic tools and vaccines. Additionally, cellular immunology has played a major role in understanding how the immune cells, that is, how the immune system responds to infections, helping in the design of more effective vaccines. Researchers are also exploring biofilm formation, a process where bacteria form protective layers on the surface, which can lead to chronic infections. Understanding biofilms at the cellular level is key to preventing these persistent infections. Now, let's see the role of cell biology in the advancements in cancer research. Cell biology has been fundamental in advancing our understanding of cancer, a disease caused by the uncontrollable division and growth of cells. At the core of the cancer research is the study of mutations in genes, that regulate the cell cycle, such as the oncogenes and tumor suppressor genes. These mutations lead to abnormal cell behavior, resulting in tumor formation. By studying these cellular changes, researchers have been able to develop targeted therapies that specifically attack cancer cells while sparing healthy ones, significantly reducing side effects. One of the most promising breakthroughs has been the development of immunotherapy, which uses the body's own immune cells to recognize and destroy cancer cells. Researchers have also discovered the existence of cancer stem cells, which are thought to drive cancer progression and contribute to relapse after treatment. Understanding these cells at a deeper level could lead to more effective treatments that prevent cancer from returning. Additionally, cell biology has enabled the identification of biomarkers, molecules found in cells that indicate the presence of cancer. These biomarkers are used for early detection and to guide personalized treatments based on the specific characteristic of a patient's cancer. Another critical area of research is the study of metastasis, the process by which cancer spreads to other organs. By understanding metastasis at the cellular level, scientists hope to develop strategies to prevent the spread of cancer. And recently, new cancer drugs are being developed through cell-based screening, where potential treatments are tested on cancer cells in the lab before being used in clinical trials. This cell-based approach is speeding up the discovery of new cancer therapies. Now, these are some of the crucial roles played by cell biology in cancer research. Now, let's see stem cell research and regenerative medicine. Stem cell research represents one of the most exciting and rapidly advancing fields in cell biology and medicine. Stem cells are unique because they have the potential to develop into many different types of cells in the body. This ability makes them crucial for regenerating damaged tissues and organs, offering new hope for treating conditions such as heart disease, Parkinson's disease, diabetes, and spinal cord injuries. There are two primary types of stem cells: the embryonic stem cells, which can differentiate into any cell type, and then the adult stem cells, which are more limited in their potential but still valuable for tissue repair. A major breakthrough in the field has been the development of induced pluripotent stem cells, where adult cells are reprogrammed to become stem cells. Induced pluripotent stem cells can be created from the patient's own cells, allowing for personalized therapies without the risk of immune rejection. In the regenerative medicine, researchers are also exploring 3D bioprinting and tissue engineering to create organs and tissues for transplantation. This technology could one day eliminate the need for organ donors and solve the shortage of transplantable organs. Another exciting area is the development of organoids, miniatures, simplified versions of organs grown in the lab. These organoids can be used to model diseases, study organ development, and test new drugs. However, the field of stem cell research is not without its ethical challenge. The use of embryonic stem cells in particular raises concern about the moral status of embryos, and as a result, stem cell research is subject to strict ethical guidelines and regulation in many countries. Despite these challenges, the potential for stem cell research to revolutionize medicine is immense, and ongoing advances continue to push the boundaries of what is possible. Cell biology is not only essential in medicine and biotechnology, but also plays a vital role in understanding and preserving our environment. At the cellular level, scientists study ecosystems and biodiversity by examining how individual organisms, especially microorganisms, contribute to the health of entire ecosystems. Microorganisms like bacteria and algae are crucial for nutrient cycles such as nitrogen and carbon cycle, which sustain life on Earth. One of the most promising applications of cell biology in environmental science is the use of microorganisms for biofuel production. Algae and bacteria can be engineered to produce renewable biofuels, offering a cleaner alternative to fossil fuels. Additionally, microorganisms are used in bioremediation, a process where they break down pollutants like oil spills or heavy metals, helping to clean up contaminated environments. Cell biology also plays a role in combating climate change through carbon capture and storage. Scientists are exploring ways to enhance the ability of certain microorganisms and plants to absorb and store carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and reducing the overall levels of greenhouse gases. Similarly, understanding the cellular responses of plants and animals to pollution has provided insights into how pollutants affect growth, reproduction, and survival. In agriculture, cell biology helps researchers understand how plants respond to environmental stresses like drought, salinity, and temperature fluctuations. This knowledge is crucial for developing crops that can withstand harsh conditions, leading to more sustainable farming practices. The study of marine microorganisms is equally important, as they play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of ocean ecosystems and contribute to processes such as oxygen production and nutrient recycling. Cell biology is at the forefront of neuroscience, helping scientists unlock the mysteries of how the brain functions at the cellular level. Neurons, the primary cells of the nervous system, communicate through synapses, which are specialized junctions that allow signals to be passed between cells. Understanding these cellular interactions is critical for knowing how the brain processes information, creates memories, and facilitates learning. Cell biology is also key to understand neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, which are caused by the progressive loss of neurons. By studying the cellular mechanisms behind these diseases, researchers are working on developing therapies that could slow or even reverse the damage. The study of glial cells, often referred to as the supporting cells of the nervous system, has revealed their critical role in maintaining neuron health and protecting the brain from injury. These cells are also involved in processes like myelination, which ensures efficient signal transmission between neurons. Cell biology is paving the way for new treatments for brain injuries and strokes by focusing on the regeneration of damaged brain cells and restoring lost functions. Additionally, advancements in brain-computer interfaces rely on our understanding of neural connections at the cellular level with the goal of enabling direct communication between the brain and external devices, offering hope for patients with paralysis or other neurological conditions. Through these advances, cell biology is providing crucial insights into how the brain works and how we can develop better treatments for brain related disorders.
The future of cell biology is incredibly exciting with groundbreaking advancements on the horizon that will revolutionize science, medicine, and technology. One area gaining momentum is single cell analysis, which allows scientists to study individual cells in detail. This technique is key for advancing personalized medicine, where treatments can be tailored based on a patient's unique cellular makeup. CRISPR and other gene editing technologies are also driving the future of genetic research and disease treatment. These tools are making it possible to precisely modify genes to correct mutations, potentially curing genetic disorders at their root. Synthetic biology is another frontier where researchers are working to create artificial cells and biological systems that can perform specific tasks, opening the door to new applications in biotechnology and medicine. Cell biology is also driving innovation in biosensors, where living cells are used as sensors for detecting changes in the environment, toxins, or even disease markers in medical diagnostics. This could lead to breakthroughs in early disease detection and environmental monitoring. As scientists go deeper into the cellular mechanisms of aging, there is growing potential for developing anti-aging therapies that could extend healthy lifespan. Another exciting direction is the study of how cells behave in extreme environments, such as space. This research is essential for future space exploration, where understanding how cells adapt in low gravity or radiation-rich conditions could improve human health in space. Advances in organ regeneration and 3D bioprinting continue to evolve, moving us closer to the possibility of printing fully functioning organs for transplantation, eliminating the need for organ donors. The integration of cell biology with artificial intelligence is set to revolutionize research and diagnostics. AI can analyze vast amounts of cellular data, identifying patterns, and speeding up drug discovery, research, and the development of new treatments. The future of cell biology holds immense potential with innovations that will shape science, medicine, and technology in ways we can only begin to imagine. As promising as cell biology is, researchers in the field face significant challenges that complicate their work. One of the primary difficulties lies in the complexity of cellular systems.
Cells are intricate with thousands of molecules interacting in networks that are hard to fully map and understand. The complexity increases dramatically in multicellular organisms, where cells must coordinate their functions with one another. Another challenge in studying cells is their natural environment. While cells can be isolated and studied in the lab, these conditions often don't accurately replicate the environment within tissues and organs, where cells behave differently due to their surrounding and interactions with other cells. Technological limitations also present obstacles. Even with modern advances, there are still challenges in imaging and manipulating live cells at fine resolutions, and further innovation is needed to push the boundaries of what we can observe and measure. Cell biology research generates massive data sets, particularly with the advent of genomics, proteomics, and single cell sequencing. Managing and interpreting this amount of data remains a significant challenge. Additionally, understanding how stem cells differentiate into specialized cells is crucial for regenerative medicine, but this process is still not fully understood, making it difficult to understand stem cells and use them for therapeutic purposes. Ethical and regulatory concerns also weigh heavily on the field, especially with controversial topics like gene editing, cloning, and embryonic stem cells research. Navigating these ethical challenges while making scientific progress is a delicate balance. In the context of disease, complex conditions like cancer involve multiple layers of cellular dysfunction, making it difficult to develop targeted therapies that work consistently, and also translating discoveries in the lab into viable clinical treatments is a long and challenging process, with many potential therapies failing to make the transition due to safety concerns, high cost, or technical barriers. Despite these challenges, the future of cell biology research holds incredible promise as scientists continue to innovate and push the boundaries of our understanding of life at the cellular level. To summarize, cell biology is at the core of modern science, shaping medicine, technology, and research. As we continue to explore cells, new discoveries will transform our world. Cell biology is foundation to future innovations will continue to revolutionize science and human health. In conclusion, the study of cells is more than just a branch of science. It is the cornerstone of our understanding of life. Cell biology not only explains the mechanisms that govern health and disease, but also provides the tools for innovations that shape industries like medicine, biotechnology, and agriculture. As we continue to explore the vast potential of cells, from stem cell research to genetic engineering, we are unlocking new possibilities for human health and technological advancement. However, it is essential that ethical considerations guide this process, ensuring that these discoveries are used for the benefit of all. The future of modern science rests on the ability to manipulate and understand the fundamental units of life, the cells. So, as we move forward, It is crucial that we continue to explore, innovate, and most importantly, understand the cells that make up every living organism. Thank you for watching.